Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson video, we're going to talk about paano nga ba maging mahusay na intern. Wow, nandito ka na sa stage na to. Of course, advance congratulations uli kasi malamang malapit ka nang gumraduate. Okay, we're going to talk about internship today at kung paano ka magiging mahusay na intern. Internship is part of the course requirement. Nasa CHED Memorandum number 104 series of 2017 ito. Of course, napakahalaga ng internship kasi dito mako-complement o madaragdagan ang iyong academic learning ng practical or hands-on knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Siyempre, napakahalaga niyan dahil ginagawa kang work ready. So, after graduation, sangkap ka dahil nakapag-OJT ka or nakapag-practicum ka or nakapag-internship ka. Tatlo actually silang term na synonymous or halos magkakapareho. Tinatawag siyang internship, practicum, or on-the-job training. In short, ang intern ay isang trainee. Okay, so ma'am, paano nga po ba magiging mahusay? Siyempre, kailangan mahusay ka sa iyong internship. Tatlong letra lang guys. A, H, A. Aha! Okay, pag-uusapan natin ano nga ba yung under letter A, under letter H, and under letter A. Tatlong letra lang guys. A, approach the role with professionalism. H, have a positive attitude, and A, act with efficiency and effectiveness. Tatlo lang guys. Isa-isahin natin. A, approach the role with professionalism. Paano nga ba? Unang-una, para makita na tayo ay professional or with professionalism, we have to be punctual. Okay, we have to be punctual. Kapag ang official time mo ay 8 o'clock, bago mag 8 o'clock, nandun ka na sa host training establishment or HTE. Bawal ang malate. Another is dress appropriately. So kung may nakatakdang uniform, sumunod tayo sa nakatakdang uniform. Kailangan ang dress natin ay umaayon sa ating trabaho or sa nakatakda. Dapat tayong sumunod. Another is, of course, be respectful. Ensure that you always show good manners and right conduct. Mahalaga yon, yung simpleng pagbati ng good morning, good afternoon, pagsasabi ng thank you, mahalaga yan. Know your job or the tasks. Paano? Siyempre, naihanda ka na, napag-aralan nyo na yan. Kung medyo sa tingin mo ay may dapat ka pang malaman, magbasa, mag-observe, magtanong. Stay organized. Of course, you have to know your priorities, alin ang dapat unahin, at of course, you are keeping track of the deadlines. Kailangang matapos ang tasks na binigay sa'yo bago ang nakatakdang deadline. Hindi pwede na magsusorry tayo, ma'am, sorry po, hindi ko nagawa. So, hindi ganon yung purpose ng internship. Tinuturuan tayo na maging efficient, maging productive, at talagang magawa ang mga tasks bago ang deadline. One more thing under the first A is to know the vision and mission of the establishment where you were assigned to. Mahalaga na alam mo yung workplace dynamics para alam mo kung paano ang tamang kilos, ano yung mga practices, at maka-adapt ka dito. Okay? So, those are under the first A, approaching the role with professionalism. Letter H na tayo. Ma'am, ano naman po ang nasa letter H? Have a positive attitude. Attitude is very important at kailangan ang attitude natin sa internship ay positive. Sasabihin ng iba, ma'am, may positive attitude po ako, sure po ako doon. Okay, alam natin yon. Pero positive pa rin ba tayo kapag meron ng pressure tsaka meron ng challenges? You know, dear learners, mas kailangang meron tayong positive attitude whenever there are challenges, whenever there are pressures. Kasi mas kinakailangan na meron tayong tamang pag-iisip, tamang diskarte kapag ganito na yung sitwasyon. First thing, be enthusiastic. Kailangan, of course, we show interest and we have the energy and excitement. Okay, kailangan excited tayo. Hindi yung parang low power mode tayo lagi or low battery. Remember, this is part of the learning journey. So we have to have the enthusiasm. We have to have the excitement for this. Second, be open-minded. Take different tasks with willingness. Ma'am, paano po pagka hindi ko naman masyadong alam yung task? Okay, pwede tayong magtanong. Okay, kailangan mapakita natin na interesado tayong matuto kasi walang boundary ang learning. Mas marami kang matutunan, mas maganda. Kaya huwag mong limitahan ang sarili mo. Be always willing to learn. Another is, of course, be receptive to feedbacks. Napakahalaga ng feedbacks na binibigay sa atin, na binibigay sa mga interns kasi yun yung mga basis for improvement. Kaya the more na pinifeedbackan ka, the more ibig sabihin na nagki-care sa'yo. Kaya those have to be considered as basis for improvement. And finally, under H, maintain a growth mindset. You know guys, ang opposite ng growth mindset ay fixed mindset. Yung bang pagka nagkaroon ka ng pinag-aaralan at nahihirapan ka, sasabihin mo, ay ito na talaga ako, hindi ko na kayang matutunan yan. Ano yon? Growth mindset or fixed mindset? So, fixed mindset yun guys. Hindi dapat ganun kapag intern. Kapag intern tayo, dapat growth mindset. We have to embrace the challenges and not feel discouraged. Okay? So, sasabihin natin, kaya ko yan. Kayang-kaya kong gawin yan. At magpapaturo tayo. Okay, nasa pangatlong A na tayo para makumpleto ang AHA. Act with efficiency and effectiveness. Okay, dalawang terms yun na. Efficiency and effectiveness. Dalawa sila. So, paano nga ba yan ma-achieve? One is communicate effectively. Paano po yun, ma'am? Of course, take the courage kung mahiyain ka. This is not the time for you to be shy. Kailangan magtanong ka kung kinakailangan. At kapag may task na binigay sa'yo at nakumpleto mo na, report it right away. Bigyan mo ng update yung supervisor or nandoon na nagbigay sa'yo ng task. Huwag mo nang hintayin na, ano nga ba nangyari? Ano nga ba nangyari? Sila pa yung magtatanong sa'yo kung anong update. Take the initiative to report what you have accomplished. Another is pay attention always. Dito guys, kailangan nasa moment talaga tayo. We have to limit the distractions. We have to focus on what is being said. We have to internalize. Hindi yung nag-iisip ka agad tayo, ano nga bang isasagot ko dito? Paano ka sasagot ng maayos kung hindi mo naintindihang mabuti yung sinasabi niya? So here, we have to be at the moment. Be proactive. Paano maging proactive? Volunteer on tasks. Huwag mo nang hintayin na, oh, sinong pwedeng gumawa nito? Walang magtataas ng kamay. So, mag-volunteer ka na, okay? The more you have the chance to accomplish tasks, the more that you will enhance your skills or upskill. Madaragdagan yung skill mo kung hindi mo pa siya alam or mai-enhance naman kung meron ka ng basic skill na relevant dun sa task na pinagagawa. So, it's important, guys, to be proactive and to have this positive mindset. Magkakakonekta sila. Next, go beyond the basics. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nandun yung passion mo. Ibig sabihin, meron kang extra miles. Halimbawa, magsasubmit ka ng papel. Papel lang ba iaabot mo or ifo-folder mo siya? Okay? Kung napansin nyo, guys, sa mga establishments, halimbawa, nag-abot ka ng credit card, hindi nila yun ibabalik sa'yo ng isang kamay. Dalawang kamay nilang ibibigay yon. So, this is a simple act of going beyond the basics. Another is, for example, you open the door, but it will be different if you smile, you greet good morning, and in some cases, you say thank you or welcome to our office. It's like that. That means you added value to the routine task. That's what we mean by go beyond the basics. Okay lang na mag-extra miles tayo, okay lang na may mga extra courtesies pa tayo. Of course, under the third A, always double-check your work. Nagawa mo na siya, sure ka na, pero may time pa naman i-double-check mo siya. At makikita mo, ay, pwede pa palang i-improve ito. Ay, may na-overlook pala ako. So, always double-check your work to ensure quality and correctness. Another, upskill. Okay, ma'am, nasa internship na ako, ba't pa ako mag-upskill? Of course, kailangan yun. Hindi kailangan one-skilled tayo. Multi-skilled dapat. Paano ngayon mag-upskill? We could watch tutorial videos. Kailangang matutunan mo to. Video editing, for example, kasi kailangan sa iyong assignment or kailangan dun sa tasks mo. Then, learn from the different tutorial videos. Or pwede kang mag-enroll sa mga free online courses. Okay? Maganda na tinutulungan mo yung sarili mo kasi the OJT itself, the internship itself is telling you or uncovering those that you do not know. Na-discover mo, ay, hindi ko para alam to. Ay, kailangan pala sa workplace ito. So, nandun na. Sinabi na or nangyari na sa OJT, time for you to act, time for you to do something. So, upskill. Don't forget also to build relationships. Mahalaga na maging kaibigan ka at maging in harmony ka sa mga kasama sa trabaho. Kahit OJT yan or internship, ganyan din sa totoong trabaho. You can seek for advice. You can be friendly to others. How to be friendly? Be approachable. You have to care to the people in the workplace. And of course, you have to be an active listener. You have to know the boundaries. Okay? Pag hanggang dito lang, wag ka nang mag-go beyond. You have to respect other people. And you have to participate in different activities. Lastly, to complete the third A, make a good impression. First thing, of course, quality dapat ang trabaho mo. Okay? Kahit makipagkaibigan ka, kahit maging friendly ka, kahit lagi kang on time, kapag hindi quality ang iyong trabaho or yung mga pinagawa sa iyong tasks, of course, it's not that 100%. So you have to deliver quality work indeed. Another is show gratitude, of course. Ginaid ka nila, tinanggap ka nila, naging kaibigan mo sila. Magpasalamat ka, hindi lang sa salita, kundi sa iyong isip at sa gawa. Show gratitude. And stay connected. Kahit tapos na ang internship, it doesn't mean na hindi mo na sila kakilala, hindi mo na sila kaibigan. You have to stay connected. Remember, mahalagang may network tayo. At iba syempre, yung maraming kakilala, maraming kaibigan. Internship is essential. Internship is vital for your personal and professional development. Remember, it is your gateway to long-term success. Kaya, pahalagahan at paghusayan. There we have it, guys. Thank you so much. Sana may natutunan kayo sa lesson video na ito. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more lesson uploads, practical tips, and anything educational. Have fun learning!